And then the flooring. So I opted to do an LVP flooring, which is a luxury vinyl plank, and it's a fantastic application in a basement because, you know, there tends to be moisture in a basement. So it's very durable, but it's beautiful too. So it's like an oak wood grain finish, and it's a very reasonably priced product as well. But we had Footprints flooring install it. Sean Donahue worked really hard in grinding the floor because the floor had tons of, you know, ebbs and dips and things like that. So he worked really hard on that. Revelwood Floors donated all of the materials for the floor, and it was an expansive place. It really was. So, but that helped to just make the space feel so much less like a basement, really warmed it up, gave it some texture, and helped balance out the white and the navy and the pops of red in the space. So, you know, put it all together, and it's light, it's bright, it's sophisticated, but it, you know, has that lovely American essence to it in a very sophisticated way that will be timeless and enjoyed for the next 10 or 20 years to come, maybe more.